Everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This is Dr. Edwards again, coming to you with another data analysis video. I wanted to basically demonstrate how to analyze your data in 15 to 20 minutes or less. So, as you can see, all of your names are listed on the left-hand side in column A. That is the column for, let me make the screen a little bit smaller so you can see it. Okay. So you can see that this one is the one for Norwegian. Then we will go to Carnival. And so this one is the one featuring Jeff and David. So Jeff, this is yours, and I will demonstrate how to analyze the data with yours. So this one, and shout out to Ms. Mulhern, she actually put the links in here, so we could not have done it without you. Okay, so we have Jeff video, Just Video, and it says Tour Carnival Vista with new CFO Shaquille O'Neal. So we've all seen that video. That's the video link. And I will click it to expand it. And this is the video.
Hey Shaq, it's a 30-second tour.
Oh man, it's like...
Okay, so we're going to pause it. And I will make it a little bit smaller. So on this video, and this is a Shaq video, the video length is always listed here. So that says 30 seconds. So I will go to this screen and just type in :30. Then if we go back to the video, it says that it was published on January the 12th. So that is consistent. Let's look at number of views. So the number of views, it has accumulated 36,949 views. So we will place that here. So we look at the number of thumbs up, 215, thumbs down, 11. So we will put this in here accordingly, 215 and thumbs down, 11. Let's look at the number of comments. So the number of comments are here. Yes, we will see them if we scroll down, because I made the screen a little bit smaller. So we have 22 comments. And that video is under a specific section. So as you can see, if you go to show more, you can see that that video actually merges under the travel and event section. So most of the videos will come under this section. Okay, so for time watched, and these are some analytics that I do not see in YouTube any longer. So you will not be responsible for times watched, subscriptions driven, shares, translations, any of that. But you will be responsible for the description. So if you go to this piece, just highlight the description and just highlight the paragraph forms, and then you will place them here. And then okay, so for that video, it says getting away. So if it addresses the concept of getting away from it all and truly letting loose, then you will place a 1 in column B, in column P. Then if it focuses on hassle-free travel, and so that's something that the individuals who were surveyed from this national and international cruise line trade organization, they said that people were wanting a hassle-free experience. So the video did not address hassle-free experiences. It did not address something for everyone. It did not address anything about the planning piece, and it did not address easy to arrange. It did address getting pampered. As you can see, the videographer was in the spa and he was getting pampered. So we did place a 1 there. And also visiting several destinations by paying 1 fee. That was not addressed either. Also being luxurious. They did address that through the spa piece. And also the fun vacation. Carnival is a fun cruise line, so you would put a 1 in the X column as well. And then also fine dining. So that was not addressed, and then variety activities was not addressed either. But they did not provide an introduction. Well, let's see. Let's watch the video. Let's spend 30 seconds to watch this video. Here we go.
Now it's 26.
Welcome aboard! Ocean! Skyride! Mini golf. Relax, relax, relax! You take this man to be your husband?
I do.
Married. No time for basketball. Pool! Carnival. Choose fun.
So it does have a
Welcome
call.
to the Carnival 30-minute tour.
Hey Shaq,
Okay, so it does have an introduction and it does provide a review of content. So welcome to the 30-minute, which is actually the 30-second tour. So that does have a 1 in column AA. It did not provide a review of content, so we will not place a 1 in that piece, but it did provide a call to action, so we will place a 1 there because it said book on Carnival Cruise Lines today. Then for the social media component, I did not see anything social media wise, but let's just look at the ending.
It was fun.
Nope, nothing social media wise. And then also it did include graphics at the very end, text-based graphics. So that's what Jeff would do for the first one. So Jeff, congratulations, your first one is done. So just for my sanity, let's look at Disney Cruise Lines and let's look at the first one, which is a Beauty and the Beast musical. So this one is 2 minutes.
This show for us is a wonderful opportunity.
So it's kind of like a behind the scenes piece, but again, you would capture the number of views, you would, and let me subscribe, you would capture the number of views, you would capture how many thumbs up and thumbs down that video acquired, and then also you would capture the first the first paragraph for Disney, and you would place it there as well. And then remember the number of views or the number of comments are actually down below. So we have 6 comments for this one, but that's what you will do. And at the very end, I will help you guys calculate the total number of views, the total thumbs up, total thumbs down, etc. for your video. So shout out to Jeff and David, Cooper and Christine, Marilla and Dominique, as well as Isabel and Katie, and now Krisha and Dr. Edwards. We have a job to do, and it's due on Sunday by midnight. You can do this. If you have any questions, you know where I am. You can reach out to me on Twitter at drjtedwards, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. We have a mission. 3, 2, 1, go.